Do you wish there was an easier way to send and receive tips? Fortunately for you, there's an exciting new way to do just that. Introducing the Tip app. The Tip app is a revolutionary new way for users to send and receive tips digitally. To use the app, users simply download and sign up for the app using their email address or mobile number. New users who download and sign up for the app using an invitation link via email or text will immediately see the tip amount they receive after the first login. From there, users can begin to send and receive tips using the app. Users can quickly and easily link their account to their credit, debit, or PayPal account to send and receive tips. Users can share their personalized Tip app QR code to have other users of the app quickly and easily send tips. Curious to see how many tips you've sent and received? Users can access the cash out tips, give a tip, notifications, and transaction history to help manage and track their tips. When a user is ready to cash out, the tip amount will be deposited into their credit, debit, or PayPal account. A small fee will be collected upon cashing out for maintenance and service fees. What are you waiting for? Download the Tip app today.